Hello, welcome to Bella Bean's Chinese food kitchen. In today's kitchen, I'm going to share with you a recipe of Chinese pork meatball soup and purple rice. The main ingredient for this pork meatball soup are ground lean pork meat and sweet potato vermicelli and others shown on this photo. We eat this soup with purple rice. The ingredients for making the purple rice are shown on this photo. First, we rinse all this mixture. Then use the clean cold water. The water is about 3/4 inches higher than the rice. Then we soak the mixture for 3 hours before we put them in the electrical cooking pot. Then use the brown function to cook this rice. Next one, we soak the sweet potato vermicelli in the cold water. Then we cut the green onions into small pieces. And cut the gingers into small pieces too. Put them in a small bowl. Then add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt into the bowl. And grab the mixture of ginger and green onions. Grab until they are softer and some juice come out. Then add in about 1 tablespoon of cold water. Grab the mixture again. You see, there's some juice from the mixture. Next step, we put the ground lean pork meat into a container. Then add in salt, ground Sichuan pepper or white pepper powder. Then juice from the green onion and the ginger mixture. And then half of egg white. And then we make liquid potato starch. That's 1 teaspoon of potato starch. Then half tablespoon of cold water. We mix it. Oh, it's not enough. We put another teaspoon of potato starch. Mix it. Then add in the liquid potato starch. Now we have everything in this container. We stir in one direction. Stir about 2 minutes until the mixture becomes a sticky mixture. Then add in half tablespoon of oil. Stir, mix again, and set it aside. Next one, we cut the peppers into small pieces. Cut the yellow onions in the middle because we only use the half of this yellow onion. Cut it into small pieces. We cut this Napa with a diagonal blade into a big pieces like this. Next, we heat half tablespoon of oil in this wok over low heat. Then add in the onion pieces. Stir fry until the onion pieces becoming brown a little bit. Then we add in the mixed peppers. Stir fry a couple of minutes until the pepper are softer and you see a little bit brown outside. Then we add in 3 cups of cold water. Stir and mix everything well. The next step, we prepare to transfer this mixture to a casserole, because the next step we use casserole to boil the meatball. After we transfer the mixture into the casserole, make sure we use the low heat to heat the casserole, because when we drop in the meatballs, if the heat is too high, it is very easy to make the meatball to break. Now we start to drop in the meatballs. I make a meatball and drop in the mixture. You didn't see how I make it. Now let you see how I make. I use this corner of this container to get about 1 tablespoon of meat and make it around a ball. Use this corner of this container. Oh, it's a good one. Drop it. Another one like this. Use the corner, make a ball. That's easy because this is a homemade version of the meatball. So I don't want to use the hand to make each of the ball. Use this method. It's easy and very fast. I can use the hand to make a perfect ball, but it tastes the same. Now, this is the last one. I finish all the balls. Wow, they are looking really nice. Still using this low heat to make it boiling. When all of them becoming white, stir a little bit. Add in 1/4 teaspoon salt. When it is boiling, we take off some liquid to try how the taste. The taste is good. We cover it and to boil about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we open the cover and then drop in the sweet potato vermicelli and the Napas. And I try to push the Napas into the liquid. Oh, looking good. Now we cover it and boiling about another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, we take some sweet potato vermicelli to try if it is soft enough. It's good, but just a little bit light. And then add in half tablespoon of oyster sauce. Stir. Oh, now it's a better color and a better taste. Take out 1 meatball to see. Wow, the meatball looking wonderful. It's a very soft, it's a very smooth, very good taste, I'm telling you. Now, everything is well cooked. We transfer to a bowl. Looking at the vermicelli, they're looking so nice. And the bowl is nice too. That's for me. And that's another one for my husband. Then the rice is done too. You see the purple rice. Now my lunch is ready. It's a pork meatball soup and purple rice. I start to eat. Try some purple rice. Oh, it's a very soft, very good. Now I try my meatball. It's very tasty, very good too. This is Napa and the sweet potato vermicelli. Everything tastes wonderful. How do you like my recipe? Would you like to give me some comments as well as subscribe my channel? Thank you so much for your coming. Keep well. See you next time.